How to get pre-filled direct deposit form in the Chase application. Hello everybody and welcome back. If you want to get a pre-filled direct deposit form, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that, so let's just dive right in. So if you have a form like this and you want it pre-filled, the thing is you need to download the Chase mobile application. So you can download up the Chase mobile application if you do not have it, and you can just go over and install it, and you can log in into the Chase mobile application. After that, on the main home screen page, you can look out for your bank account, like your checking or the savings account where you want to deposit to go. So select one of those, and once it is done, you can tap on this option called show details, or you can swipe up on the account screen to reveal more of the options, or look out for the account services option there, like this right here. And when you head over the account services section, you can find a section called direct deposit form. So you can tap on this option called set up direct deposit form, and it will give us a form with all of your account and routing numbers pre-filled. You'll be finding a form like this, which should be available like this. But if you do it from the app, it will basically pre-fill it. It will give your account and routing numbers pre-filled. You can just go over and tap on create form. And once it is done, you can download, print, or email the form to your employer or the payroll department. And this process generates a document with your pre-filled account details, making it easy for your employer to set up your direct deposit. You can just go over and do so. And that's it. That is it, everybody. You may follow up the steps for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.